If you're up to taking on some remodeling projects in hand or have some renovation work this weekend, prepare yourself with some innovative DIY tools. So in this video, we will show you some new coolest tools that every handyman should have. You might think it's a sneaky little robot at first glance, but this Exact Pipe Cut 460 Pro is your new groundbreaking pipe cutting solution that elevates your workshop level beyond the edge. It's an extremely safe and easy-to-run pipe cutter in the class, so actions will be more proper and precise. Most importantly, the well-designed mechanics and portability allow you to carry it anywhere while letting you get the cut done in the right place. In terms of capability, you can handle all the steel pipes with a wall thickness of up to 20 mm and up to 50 mm for plastics. Exact Pipe Cut. Get the exact cut. Now, this little thing you see here is the Milescraft Sand It. It's a quick, convenient, and compact sanding solution for all your smaller projects. Coming with a unique patented multi-sided design, it lets you sand multiple surfaces. Each part of the little sander has a different shape to deal with any project, rough and tough. The sanding block offers 3 different rounded edges, like a concave profile, a flat profile, and a tight edge to tackle all tight corners. Hold on! This handy sanding tool is highly adaptable and quick to modify different sheets and sandpapers. We're sure you have no demands remaining from it. Remember when your grandmother used to give you pennies for picking leaves from the lawn? Well, here's something that tends to make those days a past. This Ego Power Plus 765 CFM blower delivers 200 miles per hour airflow to blow away all the dead leaves and hard objects. Surprisingly enough, it runs for up to 90 minutes per charge, so you can clean larger lawns and patios in a single step. With the turbine fan technology, it outperforms premium gas-like power while running on a battery. And the variable speed control lets you get the exact airflow for the job you meet. Whether dealing with small cutting projects around your home, a compact circular saw may come in handy. And this tiny guy you see here is surely going to live up to all your expectations with a one-hand operating facility and great cutting efficiency. Despite being enough lightweight and portable, it offers big saw-like cutting performance over your hardwood and thick plyboards. You'll be eliminating half of your hassles with a quick cutting adjustment while maintaining pro quality on the project. Hold on! This little works saw lets you complete plunge cuts too. Fishing around for the right wrench has been a real pain in the past. What if you got a single wrench that combines 48 tools into one? Well, it's not a dream anymore as we have this Tiger wrench now. It simply allows you to instantly get the tool you need. And the process is easy as ABC. Just click between different sizes. It is light, fast, and goes from one size to the next in seconds. However, superior durability plays a good role for contractors. Thanks to its unique revolutionary tooth design, you'll get both standard and metric size wrenches. Maybe we missed something. Oh, you can use this wrench at a 45-degree angle to tackle demanding applications. This paint sprayer stays aside you in the toughest home renovation projects and DIY jobs. The HomeRite C800766 allows you to adjust the air cap if you need to spray horizontally, vertically, or round. Plus, you can handle all kinds of spraying tasks easily. It also includes a viscosity cup that easily measures paint thickness and maintains the highest accuracy. Its most interesting feature is its 2 mm brass spray tip and nozzle, which delivers ultimate performance over plastic counterparts. Anchor installation is one of the critical tasks every construction worker often encounters, so think how crucial it would be if you have some DIY anchoring projects in hand. Well, having these DeWalt undercut anchors by their side, things will be sorted out pretty easily. These anchors are built for the toughest job and withstand the toughest environments. Each of them comes with a stop collar that sets the depth of the hole and maintains the accuracy of anchoring. Want to know how you can make the undercut? The carbide teeth do it simply. This is the safest, modern building code-approved anchor installation system you can rely unconditionally on. You've bought a good drill from the supermarket last night, but how about the bits? This Wolfcraft drill bit box comes with the standard bits that are suitable for all screws of interior projects. This kit includes one bit holder with magnet, 6 Torx fixed grip bits, and a high-quality 2-component box, meaning you'll get everything and take on everything. Made of high-quality industrial steel and designed with conical gripping ribs, these bits maintain longevity and optimum driving throughout months of use. Sanding wood sounds simple until you encounter some confined spaces and fail to do so properly. Meet your new sanding hero. It's a compact one. This Black & Decker mouse sander works like a mouse, reaches all the tight spots easily, and brings a new-like look in mere time. Want to know the most interesting part? This compact tool can hold a charge for up to 18 months, so it's always ready when you get a knock for the job. There's more. You'll get a detail finger attachment that lets you get extra reach into those hard-to-reach spaces and keep good going through every situation. Whether you're working in the cold constantly, you can't overlook the body warming issues. Or else you'll get life-risking issues. So let's wrap up today's list with the Ryobi 18-volt hybrid forced air propane heater. It's a good heating solution for DIYer that provides superb outdoor heating coverage and spans up to 2,500 square feet. Not just that, you can also customize the heat output between 30,000 and 60,000 BTU with its temperature control dial. Lastly, it comes with an easy carrying handle and has a durable metal construction to ensure you a long lifespan and easy transportation. The basic model handles up to 34 kilograms, while the top model is capable of lifting 109 kilograms. The T-handle allows for accurate control of the lifter and is great for keeping the tiles and other items level. The stronger lifters come with an 8-shaped handle, so 2 people can use it at the same time. Each lifter comes with a set of special attachments, which have memory foam. According to EasyG Manufacturing, the lifters reduce work time by 40%, which might explain why even the basic model costs $634. This is the Skyscraper Kit, and the name speaks for itself. With it, you can remove debris and dirt from your roof. The price is $763, and the manufacturer offers 3 height options: 7, 9, and 10 meters. The kit comes with 11 scraper blades of various shapes and a brush that deals with moss. Thanks to its double head, you can use the accessories in any combination you like. The sellers are confident that the Skyscraper is a great option for professional cleaners, which probably explains the price. The Cobalt W64 is a sharpening system from Wicked Edge. The length is only 24 centimeters, but the results are comparable to larger models. The kit includes 2 2,600 grit diamond-coated sharpening stones, guide rods with a variable angle, and a slider that allows you to see the angle all the time. Additionally, it works with adapters for sharpening scissors and chisels. The price for the kit is $76. This is not a makeshift desk thrown together in a garage. It is the Speed Bench mobile workstation from the Japanese company Ryobi. This workbench can turn into a cart. In the workbench mode, you get a wooden tabletop measuring 107 by 56 centimeters. It can handle loads of up to 181 kilograms. In the cart mode, the load capacity is reduced to 136 kilograms, but you get wheels with a diameter of 25 centimeters. The price is $199. If you're standing, it's time to sit down. The price of this scanner is $34,100. The Artec Leo is the world's first wireless 3D scanner equipped with AI algorithms. It can scan areas of up to 160,000 cubic cm at up to 80 frames per second. Moreover, with the help of Artec Studio software, you can combine scans and photos from other cameras to create super realistic 3D models. For just $30, you can buy something more useful, like this Viper vacuum scraper. It connects to a wet-dry vacuum and keeps dust, sawdust, debris, and dirt at bay. In addition, it allows you to scrape off layers of paint, plaster, and other materials with a thickness of up to 6.4 millimeters. The scraper is reinforced with fiberglass. This is the ENAR VIB Bar EBAT, a pendulum-type vibrator for pouring concrete mixes. It's wireless, so there are no wires to get in the way. The tool weighs about 5 kilograms and is less noisy and vibrates less than most competitors. On top of that, a full battery charge will provide about an hour of use. The price of the vibrator, along with a charger and a 4-hour battery, is $896. This octopus-like system is perfect for car enthusiasts. It serves as a holder for microphones and cameras, or as an extra pair of hands when working on a bench or under the hood. The magnetic elements can hold parts, tools, and other items weighing up to a kilogram. The built-in lamp provides up to 8.5 hours of operation on a single charge and increases work efficiency by 37%. The basic set costs $150. Enerpac's new cordless torque wrench delivers up to 8,130 Newton-meters of torque. It has impressive accuracy with an error margin of plus or minus 5% throughout the operating range. Plus, it's battery-powered and portable. The set includes two 5.5Ah batteries. The tool also features an LED display and offers the ability to adjust the torque with the push of a button. All these advantages come at a price. The creators of CoilShot say, "Get the job done in one shot." This system is designed to clean condensers, specifically heat exchange units, not electronic components. It easily connects to a garden hose and uses innovative technology to clean dirt, grime, and grease. Unlike many competitors, you only need 1 or 2 tablets of detergent to do the job. In addition, it comes with a 91 centimeters long nozzle to reach even the most difficult spots. The price is $102. The 3D Simo Multi Pro is a pocket workshop that can replace complex tools like a 3D printer and a soldering station, as well as simple ones like pliers and screwdrivers. The creators made it open source, allowing buyers to unleash their creativity. For example, you can attach a 0.3 mm drill bit or a soldering tip that heats up to 490 degrees in just 20 seconds, for engraving, burning, and cutting. You can work with different materials like wood, plastic, and carbon. The basic 3D Simo Multi Pro set costs only $69. Rigid Flex Shaft K9-12 is the most compact pipe cleaning system in Flex Shaft's lineup. It weighs just 4.5 kilograms and is compatible with any cordless drill that operates at 1,800 to 2,500 RPM. Thanks to a 9 long cable with a diameter of 6 millimeters, the system is able to work in tight spaces and can clean pipes with a diameter of up to 50 millimeters. The price is $230. A few years ago, firewood prices jumped in many European countries. In Germany, for example, a cubic meter of firewood costs between $108 and $217. Given this situation, the Chaycan wood splitter will definitely be useful to many Europeans. For $74, you can quickly chop both dry and wet wood. Moreover, the movable part of the wood splitter adds weight when needed. Minova Tools devices help you work with EPS. In fact, it's a tungsten carbide rasp. You can use it on its own or connect it to a commercial or household vacuum cleaner with a special adapter that comes in the kit. The ergonomic shape allows for a comfortable two-handed grip. Moreover, it is wireless, so you don't have to worry about the cord getting in the way. Do you need a compact laser ruler that will fit in your pocket and offer accuracy with a margin of plus or minus 1 millimeter? Then take a look at the Neo Ruler GO. One battery charge will last you up to 10 hours of use. Whether it's straight lines, curves, or angles, just run the ruler along the surface. You can switch between different units of measurement, such as miles and yards. The measurements are easily transferred to the app in different formats, from DXF to TXT. The weight is only 45 g, and the price is $49. Wuta offers a leather cutting machine. This is a professional model with a pressure of up to 1.5 tons, which can cut pieces up to 1.5 centimeters thick. The machine is versatile and suitable for working with rubber, plastic, fabrics, and other materials, greatly expanding the user's options. Moreover, the model is quite compact, with dimensions of 38 by 31 centimeters. The price of the machine is $668. The XSZW4170D may not have the most memorable name, but it's quite powerful. It's designed to handle loads of up to 170 kilograms and can move at a speed of up to 34 steps per minute. Plus, it can climb up to 135 floors on a single charge. The noise level is about 70 dB, which is comparable to a vacuum cleaner, and the wheels are equipped with shock-proof pneumatic tires. Not bad, especially considering the price of about $1,500 with a discount. The IML Resi F will turn your drill into a wood sclerometer. Pretty cool, but the price is not as cool. $3,127. However, thanks to this tool, the buyer will be able to inspect living trees, bridge supports, playground equipment, and other wooden structures. The results are documented on the spot, allowing you to identify problems such as rot. 1 5Ah battery charge will give you up to 50 measurements at depths of up to 50 centimeters. Enerpac is taking cordless tools to a new level with its SC series hydraulic pumps. For example, the SC121MB delivers a maximum working pressure of 689 bar, and the motor produces about 1 horsepower, while the weight is about 20 kilograms. Buyers will appreciate the 54V battery and the Enerpac Connect app, which provides documentation, instruction videos, and maintenance reminders. This pump costs $4,700. The Rapid XP30 is useful for working with fasteners. You can use it to process cardboard, textiles, and other soft materials. According to the seller, the tool can be used for lightweight and even semi-professional work, making it a versatile option for both home and commercial use. The price for the Rapid XP30 is $135. So, that was the list of the coolest tools that every handyman should have. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.